If you own a pool, HTH is here to help. Shocking your pool once a week will keep it looking great. But any heavy rainfall, signs of algae, lots of swimmers, and periods of very sunny weather may call for an extra dose of HTH Shock. The good thing is, shocking is very easy. Just make sure your pH level is between 7.2 and 7.6. Before you use the chemicals, make sure you have on protective gloves and eyewear. Never mix different chemicals or dissolve them before use. And always follow label instructions. Sunshine weakens chlorine, so be sure to add shock in the evening. Make sure your pump is running. Just snip the corner off the package and sprinkle it in along the deepest end of your pool. If any granules settle in the bottom, use a brush to help disperse them evenly. Don't go into the pool until your free available chlorine levels are between 1 and 4 parts per million. Once you get the proper levels, your pool is clear for summer Fridays. Thanks for watching, and remember, HTH is always here to help.